Finally, after 4 long years of waiting, the drought is completely over. Apple is about to drop a brand new Apple TV 4K in 2026. The upgrades are actually massive. If you're still using the current model, you are stuck with an old A15 chip. That chip is from the iPhone 13 era. You're basically running your living room on tech from 5 years ago. This new box is not just a small refresh or a minor update. It is a total powerhouse. It is built purely for the future of AI. We're talking about a massive, game-changing jump. You're going from 4 gigabytes of RAM to a massive 8 gigabytes. There is a processor swap happening that changes absolutely everything about how you use your TV. While the old model is stuck in the past, this new 2026 version is radically different. It is designed to be the ultimate brain of your entire smart home. It is also built to be a mini gaming console all rolled into one sleek device. Multiple highly trusted reports confirm these massive shifts. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has weighed in. Supply chain analysts at Ming-Chi Kuo's firm agree. They all suggest a launch window aligned perfectly with WWDC 2026. This huge event happens in June. Apple wants to use this stage to showcase the brand new tvOS 20 capabilities. Major tech outlets are backing this up completely. Places like 9 to 5 Mac and Mac rumors have corroborated the leaks. They say the A17 Pro chip is the chosen silicon. This is the exact same ultra-powerful chip found in the iPhone 15 Pro. Apple is using it to handle the heavy lifting of Apple Intelligence. Over on X, top leakers are sharing crazy insights. Accounts like at Tech_Reve and at Leaks Apple Pro are dropping huge hints. They talk about a big move toward a more sustainable, premium aluminum chassis. They also confirm the amazing inclusion of Wi-Fi 7. This means lag-free 8K streaming support is finally coming to your living room. Analysts also point out a desperately needed storage bump. The base storage is finally going up to 128 gigabytes. This extra space will easily accommodate larger, console-quality games. The Ethernet version might see even higher storage capacities. That is absolutely huge news for power users with massive media libraries. So, why does this really matter to you? The absolute biggest reason is Apple Intelligence. Right now, your current Apple TV is basically dumb when it comes to AI. It just cannot keep up with modern demands. It cannot run the brand new Siri. It cannot handle the advanced Gemini-powered features Apple is currently building. The 2026 Apple TV 4K fixes all of this instantly. It will proudly use the A17 Pro chip. This chip features a wildly fast 6-core CPU. It also boasts a powerful 4-core GPU. It is an absolute beast of a processor. This means for the very first time, your TV will have hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Lighting and shadows in games will look incredibly realistic. This changes the living room gaming landscape entirely. You can actually play massive AAA games directly on your TV. We're talking about massive titles like Resident Evil. We're talking about heavy games like Assassin's Creed. You can play them natively without buying a PlayStation or an Xbox. It will not run at a perfect native 4K at 120 frames per second. However, it will use Metal FX upscaling. This clever software trick means games will still look absolutely incredible on your big screen. Casual gamers are going to fall in love with this feature. You just pair your favorite Bluetooth controller and you're ready to play. It turns your everyday TV into a legitimate gaming hub. Let's talk about the physical design because it is finally getting a glow up. Apple desperately wants to get rid of cheap plastic. The 2026 model is heavily expected to be made of sleek, heat-sinking aluminum. This premium metal will help keep that massive A17 Pro chip perfectly cool under heavy loads. It will look much more professional sitting quietly under your TV. We are also expecting 2 brand new color options. You can choose a classic, stealthy space gray, or you can go with a deep, rich midnight black. It is a highly premium look tailored for a highly premium device. But there is one specific feature everyone is screaming for right now. That heavily requested feature is HDMI audio pass-through. This is a massive, highly anticipated deal. This clever feature would allow you to send high-end, lossless audio formats directly to your sound system. You can send pure, uncompressed Dolby Atmos straight to your expensive receiver. You can do this without the Apple TV trying to process or fix the sound first. This is a total game changer for serious home theater nerds. If you obsess over getting the best possible sound quality, this is exactly what you have been waiting years for. How does this shiny new box compare to the fierce competition? The NVIDIA Shield TV has been the undisputed king for many years. It is the reigning champion of Plex and local network streaming. This is mostly because of its amazing built-in AI upscaling tech. But Apple is finally coming directly for that crown. Armed with the A17 Pro and a massive 8 GB of RAM, Apple is ready to win back the living room. The new Apple TV will be significantly faster than the Shield. It will feature a much smoother, better interface. It will also definitely stay updated for much longer than any rival Android box. Compared to the older 2022 model, the differences are truly night and day. You're getting double the system RAM right out of the box. You're getting a brand new neural processing unit. This NPU is absolute leagues ahead of the old one for machine learning tasks. This device is not just about passively watching Netflix anymore. It is about having a literal, miniaturized supercomputer connected directly to your TV. The massive jump from the old A15 to the new A17 Pro is historic. It is simply the biggest performance leap we have ever seen in the entire history of the Apple TV product line. Are you going to patiently wait for the massive June launch? Or are you completely happy with your current living room setup? If you truly care about modern gaming, this is for you. If you care about next-generation AI features, this is for you. If you simply just want a snappy, beautiful user interface that never, ever lags, this is the exact upgrade you have been waiting for. Keep a very close eye out for those WWDC 2026 announcements. This upcoming launch is going to totally shake up the entire streaming box market forever. In my honest opinion, this is the most exciting product Apple has built for the home in years. For a very long time, the Apple TV felt like a forgotten hobby project. Now they're finally giving it the raw, uncompromised power it actually deserves. Upgrading the RAM to 8 GB and adding the A17 Pro takes this from a simple, everyday streaming stick to the ultimate living room command center. The addition of HDMI pass-through proves they are finally listening to their most hardcore users. If you want a future-proof entertainment setup that handles movies, smart home tasks, and high-end gaming without breaking a sweat, this 2026 model is an absolute must-buy. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.